Christmas is coming and there's a special delivery from the North Pole. A Christmas box. I wonder what is inside. I'm Hattie May and let's learn and play.
Learn and play with Hattie May.
Who's ready to find out what's in the box? What do we say to open the box? Open. Are you ready? Nice and loud. Open. Ooh, let's take a look inside. It looks like I've been sent some antlers like Rudolph. Should I put them on? Can you help me to put them on by saying on? Here they go, onto my head. I look like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Can you see my friend Rudolph? Hi, Rudolph. Say hi, Rudolph. Waving. Hi, Rudolph. Great job. Rudolph has a red nose. Red nose. Where's your nose? Nose. There you go. Can you point to Rudolph's red nose? Pointing. Pointing. You did it. You're so focused. Rudolph's red nose has changed colour. What colour could it be? Is it green or blue? Is it green or blue? I can see you're thinking really hard about this. Rudolph's nose is blue, but blue. Well done, little learners. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays to you, your family, your friends. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's clap for Christmas. We all do a little clapping. We all do a little clapping. We all do a little clapping. 'Cause Christmas is here. Let's jump. We all do a little jumping. We all do a little jumping. We all do a little jumping. 'Cause Christmas is here. Let's twirl together. You ready? We all do a little twirling. We all do a little twirling. We all do a little twirling. 'Cause Christmas is here. Are you ready to shake? We all do a little shaking. We all do a little shaking. We all do a little shaking. 'Cause Christmas is here. Santa's here. We all do a little whisper. We all do a little whisper. We all do a little whisper. 'Cause Christmas is here. Now nice and loud. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year. Let's see what else is in the Christmas box. It's a little bauble. These go on the Christmas tree. Will you help me put the bauble on the Christmas tree? Amazing. Put it up, put it up, put it up. Oh, there we go. There you go, Christmas bauble. The tree is shining bright. I think the Christmas tree needs something else. Let's take a look inside the Christmas box. Some tinsel. I love putting Christmas tinsel on the tree. The tinsel is red and white, like a candy cane. Can you see all the candy canes? Me too. Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You counted the 5 candy canes. Can you now see the gingerbread man? Where is the gingerbread man? He's over here. Is he over there? Is he up? Is he down? He's over there. You're right. You found him. The gingerbread man is running away. Let's run like the gingerbread man. Are you ready? Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And stop! Did you stop? Come on, let's play again. Are you ready? Get those arms running like a gingerbread man. And run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Stop! Did you freeze? You're so fast. Look at the Christmas lights. They've made a pattern. Red, green, red, green, red, red. Well done. How about these Christmas lights? Can you say it with me? Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red, blue. The last light is blue. Christmas lights go up on the Christmas tree. What goes at the top of the Christmas tree? A star. Let's twinkle our stars and sing Twinkle, Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the tree so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. It's a Santa stocking. It's my red Santa stocking, and I'm decorating it. Will you help me? Okay, what should I choose first? My textures or my stickers? Textures or stickers? The stickers. Okay, choosing some stickers. Here we go. Onto my stocking, peeling them off and adding them down. Stick, 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 stick. Onto the paper they go. Here we go, another one. Stick, stick, stick. And let's add one more, another red one, I think. Wow, this is really coming together. Now, I think I might add some little polka dots with my purple texture. Polka dots, polka dots. Dot, dot, dot. Adding some dots onto my... Well, there we go. Look at my stocking. Lots of dots. Oh, this will look perfect hanging in the Hattie May house. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. It's Christmas time, let's decorate the tree. Tinsels, baubles, fairy lights, and gifts for you and me. It's Christmas time, guess who's coming soon? Santa and his reindeer with gifts for me and you. So shout it out for all to hear, Santa's coming soon. His sleigh is flying through the sky, let's sing his favorite tune. Sing it, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Elves are working hard at the North Pole far away, making all our favorite toys you wish for Christmas Day. So 3 cheers, hooray, for the elves and all their games, stacking toys on Santa's sleigh to come on Christmas Day. So shout it out for all to hear, Santa's coming soon. His sleigh is flying through the sky, let's sing his favorite tune. Sing it, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
On Christmas Eve before we sleep, we put out Santa's snack. Don't forget the reindeer food or Rudolph won't come back. On Christmas Eve it's fast asleep, no peeking with your eyes. Santa you will never see, no matter how hard you try. So shout it out for all to hear, Santa's coming soon. His sleigh is flying through the sky, let's sing his favorite tune. Sing it, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Christmas time, let's celebrate with friends and family, and say a very big thank you for all that we receive. It's time to get together, share joy and happiness, and tell the people that we love how much they mean to us. So shout it out for all to hear, Santa's coming soon. His sleigh is flying through the sky, let's sing his favorite tune. Sing it, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Merry Christmas!